Good Lord, Mama. You
Okay.
got amazing.
What's she
Josh,
making?
not today.
Someone told me to.
There now. Stop.
No, it's. Oh my gosh. Is that canned macaroni and cheese?
Josh, I got a lot to do.
Oh, that looks horrible. I'm freezing. That's why I'm in a hoodie. Oh, that looks disgusting. Oh, my God. Plastic cheese. Oh, that's even worse.
Put the ham in.
I've been trying to help you all morning, and you got an attitude.
Put down the phone and come put this ham in.
What?
Oh my God.
Ooh.
That's the same ham that your grandma used to use all the time, Josh. Now that's what we use.
Stop. Stop. Oh. Ooh.
Am I
I'm
doing
so
this
full
right?
too. So this is just
Sam's
making me want to puke.
But go ahead, that's fine.
Boom. I'm like a professional ham cutter now.
Oh. God, I feel so sick. What? Is pineapple the seasoning? Oh my God. No, what do you... Oh. No, she's not. No. Why does that turkey look so unseasoned? Is that crackers? What? No. Is Dr. Pepper pork and beans? Oh. Nothing here looks good. Oh my God. Oh. Oh. Bro, I'm getting so sick right now. Oh, I don't feel good. And I'm already, oh yeah. I shouldn't have watched this after I ate. Oh, no, don't. They're really making this. You could have made this the same day. It doesn't take that long to do. And not that you should have done this, but... Oh, no. I give up on life. No.